When we're applying drip edge to a roof, we have separated drip edge out between eaves and rakes. So anytime a roof face or roof is replaced, the additional question is going to populate regarding drip edge. The automatic question and material is going to be determined by the default settings. So the default setting for both rake and eaves is none, leave the existing, or you can set it to automatically replace the drip edge or remove and replace the drip edge as you see fit. So with eaves, the reason we've separated these out is because you can add gutter apron on the eaves. So anytime where there is gutter that would require gutter apron, you can apply that there and just have the rest standard, but you would have to take that face by face. So with the metal roofing types, so that was a non-metal or laminated roof. So if I was to replace this, this metal roof, which it is ribbed, I would classify the quality and then specify to replace the drip edge. With metal roofing, I have additional options. I can use a 26 or 29 inch or 29 gauge eave trim as an additional option if it is metal as the material type. So I can do that also with the rake drip edge. And then I can also set up the user settings to automatically apply those material types as I see fit for those different materials. So if I wanted the material type to be standard for non-commercial or non-metal except commercial drip edge, then I would select that as standard, or I can go to 26, 29 inch gauge or 29 gauge trim for the roofing material, apply that to the current estimate, hit save. Now if I go to the other roof and I replace that, then it automatically will default to the 26 gauge gable trim. So that is how drip edge works in the metal versus the composition or non-metal roofing types.